Hi, and welcome to this episode of Empowering Your Job Search. My name is Soozy Miller. This episode is brought to you by the Strategic Advisor Board and my company, Control Your Career. I am a certified behavioral analyst and an executive career coach. I work with executives who feel stuck in their situation. I coach executives to control their career by giving them the tools and methodology to land their next awesome opportunity and then to control their overall career path until they don't want to work anymore. So we have seen a lot of layoffs lately from a lot of big companies. So there are a lot of people out of work, and apparently there's more coming. More layoffs are coming, which is a little scary. And so coaches, career coaches, and resume writers everywhere are trying to sort of pop in to LinkedIn and help these job searchers find a job sooner. They're trying to give advice, and a lot of it's really good advice, and I enjoy reading a lot of it. But some coaches are recommending that for people who want to change careers, that they should start listing all of their skills on a piece of paper. And that will help determine which skills they can use in the next industry. And I recommend something different. I think if you're planning on moving to another field, whatever level you're at, particularly executives, if you're planning on switching careers and moving to do something else, I recommend instead doing some research and talking to people on LinkedIn. Instead of creating a general list of skills, most of which you probably won't use in interviews or on your resume or any of your job search materials, I recommend getting more specific by going to LinkedIn and having conversations with recruiters in your industry, or going and researching companies, looking at job postings to see what job descriptions are calling for in your field. There may be really specific words, keywords, terminology that these job postings are using now. Some of it you probably know and you just didn't realize you need to use them, or some of them are new. Maybe there are some new buzzwords in your field or in the field you want to go into that you're not aware of. So instead of starting with a general generic list of skills, I recommend instead going and researching your field. Go make connections, go talk to people in person and online, and go talk about what's going on in that field that you're interested in, because that will bring more specific information and you'll be able to add this great information into your resume and your LinkedIn profile and your cover letter and your other materials when it's time for your job search, when it's time to create your resume, when you get ready to land your next awesome opportunity. So just something to think about, because I want you to be successful if you're transitioning to something else, and your skills are probably transferable. You just have to figure out how to use them to their best effect. So thank you for watching today's episode of Empowering Your Job Search. I hope this was helpful to you and your career. If you need further information, just click on the link in the description and I'll be glad to talk to you further about any of this. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to this channel so you get valuable daily updates. I'll talk to you soon.